we know of 5 major toxins in the Canadian food supply. There's 5 major toxins that we need to deal with, and right now there's nothing, there's no regulation, nothing really going on with these. The first one is hormones. These are, whether into livestock, chickens. There's an incredible use of hormones, and fish farms as well. Antibodies. There's all kinds of antibodies that are put in because a lot of these animals are in sick conditions in these factory farms and fish farms. And then there's slaughterhouse waste. And this is very troubling. This slaughterhouse waste is all the excess waste of animals, and then it's dried and created into a powder form, and then it's fed, put back into the food cycle into livestock feed, also chicken feed, and then we're eating it. It's because we're eating the eggs, we're eating the chickens, we're eating the beef, and it's coming back full circle. There's also GMO, which is genetically modified organism. This is there's no ban at all in Canada right now. 98% of Canadian grown canola is GMO. At least 90% of the corn grown in Canada is GMO. 75% of the food in stores is GMO. The major GMO products in Canada are corn, soy, cotton, canola, and it just goes on from there. This is very concerning, very concerning. And the evidence that we've seen is that the Canadian Food Inspection Agency is compromised. And this has been going on for decades and decades and decades. Health Canada is compromised too by the corporate globalists, whether it's Monsanto or other big biotech companies, chemical companies, pharmaceutical companies. This is the truth. This is what's going on in Canada. Our food situation is sick. It's a sick system. A lot of farmers are dependent on herbicides that are being supplied from companies like Monsanto.